Changenow Pro Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The Changenow Pro Wallet App promises lightning fast crypto swaps without registration or limits. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's uncover the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, the Changenow Pro Wallet's biggest strength is speed and simplicity. You can exchange cryptocurrencies instantly without creating an account or going through complex verification steps. That makes it one of the most convenient options for people who value privacy and efficiency. Another standout feature is multi-currency support. The wallet supports over 500 cryptocurrencies, from Bitcoin and Ethereum to smaller altcoins like ADA, and SHIB. You can hold, send, and swap them all in one place. Next is non-custodial control. Changenow doesn't hold your funds, you control your private keys, which means your assets are always in your hands. That's a major plus in a world where centralized exchanges can freeze or lose user funds. The app also integrates with Changenow's exchange platform, giving you access to fast, cross-chain swaps at competitive rates. No hidden fees, no long waiting times, just a clean, efficient process. Now for the cons. While Changenow supports many coins, it doesn't offer advanced DeFi features like staking, liquidity pools, or NEF storage. If you're a DeFi user, you might find it a bit basic. Another limitation is reliance on Changenow's backend for exchange services. If the platform experiences downtime or technical issues, swaps can be delayed. And finally, while it's great for privacy, lack of kick can sometimes raise red flags with regulators, which may affect future availability in certain regions. In conclusion, the Changenow Pro Wallet app is perfect for people who want fast, private, and hassle-free crypto swaps. The surprising truth? It's one of the easiest wallets to use, but it's not for those who want deep DeFi tools or advanced trading features. If convenience and control matter most, this app deserves your attention.